de stoppe in a house?
Nej, de stopper den.
Det er spændende.
Give us one more house on number 2 now, please.
Uncle Sammy.
Okay, it's not the right place though.
Need a 3x here. En gaan in die 3x house.
Or on the top there, top number 4, the little space.
Okay, that's one more in the
Give
middle.
us on one is huge!
One in
Come
the
on!
Yo!
Oh, that's gonna be huge!
There we go.
Holy shit! What a win! This is
2K for that.
Holy shit!
Let's
Blue
go.
Dog. Oh!
Another one. Let's go.
We have 5 more spins left!
2 for 2K again.
Blue Dog! Oh, that's gonna pay!
Holy.
Don't
Again?
click, don't click. Look at these wins,
Every
Joe.
fucking spin now.
Oh, it's gonna be sick!
How much? Okay, I'm gonna click. 2 for
2.99! Blue Dog!
One more. Blue dog now.
Holy.
Every
Every spin is
spin.
paying.
One more.
If we get Blue Dog, it's over.
One
Blue
more
Dog is
1K
done.
for that shite. Come on, one spin. Another 3x.
Please, a premium now, a Blue Dog! Come on!
Got one
Still
spin
low.
left. Look at this.
We need dogs, dude. We need dogs. We need dogs! Oh, that's gonna be huge!
How much?
Like 3K.
That should be like 3K.
3-4K!
Let's go!
Get 60K!
Fucking K.
Let's go!
Almost 16K.
Holy shit!
All right, now.
Who said doghouse? A doghouse!
It's Jay. Cube, nice. Oh, get the collector. Yeah, it's lightning. No. Yeah, it wasn't lagging like this yesterday, but you know what that means? That there's a lot of people playing the game. Well, how is Jay doing? What is he doing now? Nice to see that our moderators are hanging out on his channel more than here. I don't know why. What did I do wrong? Yeah. I remember when I was new and everybody wanted to be here and, you know, just, yeah, you know, one day it's welcome to business, welcome to the business. One day you're hot and everybody wants you, the next day nobody wants to see you. Welcome to the business. Welcome to Vegas. Cubes? Oh, collector, nice! Hey, finally, man! Come on! Oh, 2 more spins! Oh, another cube? Okay, 2 more spins! 2 more spins! 2 more spins! It's gonna go, yeah, this is my record now, right? This is gonna be my record, right? Right? There we go. There you go, 1,003. It could have been one more. 1,336x, which is gonna equal up to 10.
Ernie gifted one to Mink. A fucking man, Ernie, boys. That is who I'm talking to. A man himself, Ernie, my dude. Appreciate you, bro.
Train going, you know?
Yes, sir. Ticket going in. Come on, bro. Let's make it happen. Come on. Come on. 3 more. 3 more. We can do this. Very doable. Very doable. Very doable. Imagine knocking him out right here. We need that next level. This is
Finish it
gonna.
up right here. Finish it up. 2.
Oh no, not the one more pie scam.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh! 3! Hold on, we might be on pace to get to that next level. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go, hold on. Come on.
Okay.
Oh my god, Ernie, this is gonna be big! This is gonna be big, Ernie! This is gonna be big! I don't even mean this. I mean like, when we get to the next level here, this is gonna be big! Milk bone with the 5, I'm getting on my feet. Look how big he is!
Oh my god. Any premium. Oh,
It's already good, bro. It's already good.
that's huge.
Oh my god, a fat win!
Any premium. Hey.
Oh my god, Ernie, this is gonna be so big! Oh my god, this is gonna be so big! You don't even understand, Ernie. You don't even understand what's happening right now. You don't even understand what's happening, Ernie. I don't think you understand what's happening. We get more spins here, bro, and we're going to the last level. You don't understand what's going on here. Santa is he's gonna stand there, Ernie. He's gonna stand there. Ernie, he's just gonna stand there. Ernie, he's just gonna stand there. Ernie, he's just gonna stand there. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! The biggest fat shit ever! Oh my god! What the fuck? Wow! The first time that's ever happened! The first time that's ever happened! I'm telling you guys, this can pay! Oh, let's go!
Free spin, Star Bounty. On vient prendre reset, ça c'est bien, le reset sur un collector, c'est bien. Star Bounty plus. 8 c'est déjà bien, ok 8. Elle attendra la machine. Quand elle, là le reset sur un collector comme ça c'est très bien. Nice. Et là on récupère 4 spins. Ça c'est pour ça que le reset est bien. Maintenant un collector, on le collecte 4 fois au moins. Ok, ça c'est ok. On récupère de la place. Ah, le start n'est pas bon clairement. Oh bon, un jour je mettrai mes starts à l'avance avant de lancer le stream. Donc je serai un petit peu plus assidu mais... Ok, là ou là pour récupérer de la place, ou n'importe où en vrai. Là, attends, 23, je récupère fois combien? Fois 20 par spin? 51 fois 28 par spin. C'est vrai que dès que je récupère un symbole, je suis assuré de moi au finir en x100 au-dessus. On est bien là. Bah si. On a 3 potentiels aussi pour récupérer de la place. Hein. On n'est pas encore en full board. En full screen. Oh, il va le connecter à chaque fois, 4 fois au moins. À 20 € max bet. C'est parti. Installez-vous. Oh, on va récupérer 349 balles au moins, encore une fois 4 fois. À 20 balles. Fois 1000. Oh là là. Oh, j'ai un début direct là. Ah, déjà un content. Allez, un truc en plus, on récupère de la place, en plus ce serait magnifique, on a encore 2 chances. Ouh, ça va être incroyable. À 20 balles, j'y raise. S'il te plaît, un truc, dernier spin. J'ai fait un fois 2699. On va le battre. Nouveau record sur mon train, il m'allait un truc, c'est 4 spins en plus. Oh, dommage, mais magnifique. Ah, yes. Fois 3000, j'avais pas vu qu'on avait dépassé fois 3000. Fois 3000 à 20 €. Ai-je besoin de vous faire le calcul? Salut YouTube, lâche un like, abonne-toi, un petit commentaire. Écris le fiac à Félix dans le chat, enfin dans les commentaires s'il te plaît. Apprécié. Et c'est un bump à 100 000 euros. Au boulot.
Last spin. Come on. What the fuck? It keeps going. Please tell me that's the win. No way, man. This is insane. Multi. Like, what the fuck? This can't be. This can't be 2000X, seriously. I must be mistaken or something. No, it can't be. Come on. It can't be. What the fuck? No way this can be this much. No way, man. We need something to collect this. Come on. It can't be this much. Right? This can't be the win. That would be insane. No, it can't be that much. It can't be. Yeah. No. Any max cash out here? No. This is raw. I wonder what this does at the end. I wonder if we get to pick or something. This can't be it, man. We'll see when it dies. Alright, it died now. Let's see. No way! No way we're getting all that shit! That's almost 10,000x! What the fuck? No way! Oh my goodness! Men det er helt ærligt. Det er ikke rigtigt. Det er ikke rigtigt. That's not right. What the fuck, man? That can't be right. How the fuck did that pay that much? No way, man. Slots one up. What the fuck, man? Oh my goodness, this is my best win ever. Holy fuck, man. I am absolutely stunned.